Are you an Instagram user who wants to make sure your messages disappear when you close the chat? In this video, you'll learn how to turn on Vanish mode in just a few quick and easy steps. With Vanish mode, you can send disappearing photos, videos, and messages and have peace of mind knowing that all of them will be gone when the chat is closed. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how to turn on Vanish mode and keep your conversations secure. To get started, open up the Instagram application and then tap on the messages icon at the top right corner of the screen. And then tap on the conversation that you want to enable Vanish mode for. Once you are on this screen, tap on their name at the top left of the screen. And now you'll see that there is the Vanish mode option. Seen messages will disappear when you close the chat. So in order to enable it, simply toggle this on. You have now successfully enabled the Vanish mode. Another way to quickly and easily enable the Vanish mode is by simply swiping up while you are on the chat screen. And that will also enable the Vanish mode. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.